how to turn on block pop-ups for Samsung Internet on Galaxy S24 running One UI 8. Now on the home screen, you want to open up your Samsung Internet app. Then down here at the bottom, tap on the menu button and then swipe across and tap on settings. Now in Internet settings, we scroll down and tap on privacy dashboard. Next in here, we scroll down and tap on block pop-ups. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on. Now tap on the left hand side panel. At the top here, tap on the more button and tap on manage websites. After that, you can go through the list and you can choose which websites are allowed to access and manage websites. So in here, you can turn it on or off. And that's it. Finally, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video.